Cancer, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for February 17 to 23, 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. And thank you sa mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. Okay, Cancer. Let's see. What's up with you this week? Forgiveness. Oh, meron kayong patatawarin. So, pwedeng ibang tao or yung sarili nyo, no? Ang pinaka-importante dito is forgiving yourself. Kasi minsan, nagkakaroon tayo ng self-sabotage or sinisisi natin yung sarili natin sa mga mistakes nating nagawa. Na dapat hindi ko ginawa yun, dapat ganito. So, in order to move on, no, para maka-move on ka, kailangan patawarin mo yung sarili mo. Na part yan ng lesson na kailangan nating matutunan. Na paminsan-minsan meron tayong mga bad decision, bad choices sa buhay, and ang importante is hindi natin paulit-ulit na gagawin at mag-expect ka ng kakaibang resulta, no? So learning from it is the best way to forgive yourself. Gratitude. Oh, some of you are going to be very thankful. Kinonfirm siya ng butike. Narinig nyo ba yung butike? But anyway, you're going to be grateful, happy, and thankful sa blessings na meron ka. And the more na nagiging grateful ka, the more na nagiging blessed ka. Kasi ina-acknowledge mo yung mga bagay na meron ka, pinapahalagahan mo. Relaxation. So, some of you, Cancer, maaaring magbibigay rin kayo ng time sa sarili nyo para makapagpahinga. Or kailangan nyo talaga na magpahinga. Lalo na kung kayo ay masyadong naging very, very busy. So, ang relaxation naman, hindi naman kailangan niya na magbabakasyon ka sa Boracay or sa isang mamahaling place. Pwedeng sa bahay lang yan na meron kang kapayapaan ng isip na walang gumugulo sa'yo. 'Di ba? Or 'di ba, watching a movie is also a form of relaxation. So I think kiniklear mo yung isip mo ngayon. Mas gusto mo ngayon na walang mga bagay na gumugulo sa'yo. Your overall energy is the moon, which is your energy. So you are connected to your higher self. You are in tune or in sync, no? In alignment with your intuition. So yung iba sa inyo, malakas ang instinct nyo ngayon. Some of you are maaring maging emotional about something, no? Maaring yung iba parang meron kayong fears or pag-aalala, takot sa mga bagay na hindi nyo kontrolado, which is the future, 'di ba? And minsan kasi yan yung parang nagsi-steal ng joy natin kasi hindi pa nga dumarating yung future, nag-aalala ka na agad. So, hindi mo na ma-enjoy yung present moment. So, be grateful for what you have, and yung worries na yan magdi-disappear. Mawawala yung worries mo. Count your blessings. And then, your challenge is the Three of Cups. Some of you maaring may challenging situation with a friend or a best friend or someone that is close to you. Para sa iba lang ha, hindi para sa lahat. Pwedeng meron ditong third party situation na na-reveal sa inyo. And then your opportunity is the Queen of Cups. So as an opportunity, meron kang kakayanan ngayon na magpatawad, meron kang kakayanan ngayon na mas isipin rin yung sarili mong kapakanan, to practice self-love, self-care, and have this compassion para sa sarili mo at sa mga taong nagmamahal sa'yo. And also, you will tap into your creative talents, creative skills, no? Kung you are into creatives, yan yung career path mo or andyan yung business mo sa creatives. And then, your blessing is the King of Swords. So, as a blessing, meron kang karunungan na magagamit mo para sa decision making mo. Some of you rin, merong blessing rito of ang tawag doon, yung parang magle-level up ka. Pwedeng yung iba sa inyo mapopromote kayo sa work or merong leadership role para sa inyo. So, maaring yung iba, kayo ay mahahawak ng mas maraming tao, magiging supervisor, manager. And yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong aaralin this week. This can be a new skill set or knowledge na magbibigay ng blessing sa inyo. Whatever this is. Halimbawa, gusto mong aralin ng pagwe-welding. Inaral mo siya. So, skill set mo na siya, marunong ka mag-welding. So, yung pagwe-welding na yun, pwede siyang magamit mo to improve your finances, mag-bring ng abundance sa buhay mo. Kasi pwede ka mag-apply abroad or magtrabaho ka or magtayo ka ng business. So, nasa sa'yo na kung paano mo gagamitin yung na-acquire mo na knowledge or skills. Yes, you have so much energy this week. Some of you, maaring may pupuntahan kayong event, no, na kung saan you will meet new people, you will meet new connections and friends. Some of you, merong adventure na pupuntahan. Yung iba nasa beach. Oo. I think part of the relaxation yun yan. Magpupunta kayo sa beach or you will try to go yung mga party sa yate. Oo, may yacht kasi rito. Or maybe you are planning, no? Pinaplano mo pa lang na gagawin mo yan ngayong summer. So, maaring nag-book ka na ng trip mo sa Palawan, sa Boracay. And all set ka na for your relaxation and vacation. Okay, let's see. Final message. Antelope, new pathways. Uy, merong new opportunities for you na nasa horizon, no? Consider whether you are happy on your current path. So, for some of you na parang naisip nyo na hindi na kayo masaya or hindi na kayo fulfilled sa path nyo ngayon, whether this is relationship, trabaho, business, i-reassess mo yung sarili mo kung masaya ka pa ba. Kasi kung hindi na, maaring meron kang bagong i-explore. Okay? Maaring ito yung ito yung decision na kailangan mo rin gawin. This week. So, that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. See you again.